Hi there and welcome to this video on the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a powerful universal principle that states that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on, whether positive or negative. In this video, we will explore the law of attraction and how you can use it to manifest your desires and create the life you want. So what exactly is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is based on the idea that our thoughts and feelings directly impact the events and circumstances of our lives. According to this principle, if we focus on positive thoughts and feelings, we will attract positive experiences and outcomes into our lives. On the other hand, if we focus on negative thoughts and feelings, we will attract negative experiences and outcomes. How does the law of attraction work? The law of attraction works through the power of our thoughts and feelings. Our thoughts and feelings create a vibration or frequency that is sent out into the universe. The universe then responds by bringing us experiences and circumstances that match that vibration. For example, if you are constantly thinking about lack and scarcity, you will attract more lack and scarcity into your life. On the other hand, if you focus on abundance and prosperity, you will attract more abundance and prosperity into your life. How can you use the law of attraction to manifest your desires? To use the law of attraction to manifest your desires, you need to focus on what you want and not on what you don't want. This means shifting your focus away from negative thoughts and feelings and instead focusing on positive thoughts and feelings. Here are some tips for using the law of attraction to manifest your desires. Identify your desires. Take some time to think about what you really want in life. What are your goals and aspirations? What do you want to create and experience? Believe in your ability to manifest. You need to believe that you have the power to manifest your desires. This means letting go of any doubts or negative beliefs about your ability to create what you want. Focus on your desires. Spend time each day focusing on your desires. Use visualization or other techniques to focus on what you want and how it feels to have it. Take inspired action. While the law of attraction is powerful, it is not a magic wand that will automatically bring your desires to you. You need to take action towards your goals and make things happen. Trust that the universe will support you in achieving your desires. Practice gratitude. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude can help you attract more of what you want into your life. Take time each day to focus on the things you are grateful for and express appreciation for them. Stay positive, keep a positive mindset and focus on the things you want, rather than the things you don't want. This will help you attract more positive experiences and outcomes into your life. Take care of yourself. It's important to take care of your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being in order to attract what you want. Make sure you are getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in activities that nourish your soul. Be patient. Manifesting your desires takes time and patience. Trust in the process and have faith that the universe is working on your behalf to bring your desires to you. So why do people believe in the law of attraction? People believe in the law of attraction for a variety of reasons. Some believe in it because they have personally experienced the power of their thoughts and feelings to shape their reality. Others believe in it because they find it to be a helpful and empowering way to approach life and manifest their goals and desires. The law of attraction is often associated with the idea of positive thinking, which suggests that focusing on positive thoughts and feelings can lead to positive experiences and outcomes. This idea can be appealing to people because it offers a sense of control and agency in the face of challenges and difficult circumstances. Additionally, the law of attraction is often associated with spiritual or metaphysical beliefs about the nature of reality and the interconnectedness of all things. Some people believe that the law of attraction is a reflection of the interconnectedness of the universe and the power of consciousness to shape reality. Overall, people believe in the law of attraction because they find it to be a helpful and empowering way to approach life and manifest their goals and desires. The law of attraction is a powerful universal principle that can help you manifest your desires and create the life you want. By focusing on positive thoughts and feelings and taking inspired action, you can attract the desired experiences and outcomes. Remember to believe in your ability to manifest and stay focused on your goals.